The last chords you just learned was a C and a G. And I'm hoping that you remember how to read the chord chart from what I showed you before, and also look into your pamphlet, the little booklet that's with the book, to read this next chord chart. This is an E minor. This is what an E minor looks like. One thing that I think is important is do not play the E minor. Your second and third finger will be on the fourth and fifth string. And do not play the E minor like this or like this. I want you to play it with the second and third. And I want you to strum the E minor like this, straight down 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the E minor guitar chord. Now, I've taught for a long time, and people usually can handle this E minor, and I always feel it's a good progress, because now you have an E minor. That's a regular guitar chord. People have been used for years and years on the guitar. What I want you to do now with that E minor, and one of the advantages of having this DVD is that you can go back and watch that again. But you have to learn each thing that I show you in order to get to the next step. So if you have a problem, just go back to this lesson and make sure you conquer the E minor. We're going to go to the E minor guitar chord, and we want you to take the E minor chord and move it from the 4th and 5th string to the 3rd and 4th string, which is right there. And remember the C from the first lesson, the small C? We're going to add that, and that's called an A minor. So we want to play the A minor a few times. Let's do it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to go back, start on the E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch from the E minor to, move those from the next strings to the 3rd and 4th string, add your little C chord to the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back to the E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The E minor and the A minor, now that you have a C, a G, an E minor and A minor, we need one more chord, and we're going to be able to start playing some songs. Because when you play the chords in what's called a key, you need basic chords to get the rhythm patterns and the chord patterns that we're used to hearing in music. You need a certain pattern of these. So with E minor and C and G, we're getting close to being there. So we're going to go on to some new chords right after this.